Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to replace a dishwasher spray arm. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I actually have this Bosch dishwasher over here, and I'm going to show you how to replace the spray arms, both the upper and the lower one on this dishwasher. And most dishwashers are going to be very similar with regards to the process. Now, before you work on your dishwasher, you want to shut off the main water supply line or lines to the dishwasher. Fortunately for me, this one is disconnected right now. It's completely disconnected. This is actually in my garage, so it's completely disconnected. We're actually getting rid of this dishwasher, so I just wanted to use it for a demonstration. But shut off the water line to the dishwasher before you work on it. Now, for the lower one, you want to remove the rack, just because it's probably going to be super easy to remove. So you just literally are probably going to be able to just take the rack out. You're going to roll it out of place, and then you're going to likely be able to take the rack out. Now you can see right here we have the spray arm at the bottom. Now, like I said, most of the time it's going to be very similar, and it's going to be very easy. For the bottom one, you usually just have to pop it out of place. So you're going to pull it upwards, just like that. You have your spray arm like that. You get your new spray arm, and then you get it in place, and you make sure it's the right part, obviously. Make sure it's the correct and direct replacement part. You like that rhyme, eh? I rhyme all the time. And you're going to go ahead and push it down into place. That's it for the lower one, really easy. Now the upper one is just slightly harder, but not really harder. Now the upper one is actually on the underside of the upper rack. So it's actually over here. You can probably see it spinning right there, okay? Now I'm going to remove the rack in a second and show you how to do it, but I'm going to explain it first, because you can do this without removing the rack, but I'm going to remove it just to show you what it looks like, okay? So you can replace the entire piece by usually pushing it towards the back of the dishwasher. And I'll show you how it connects in a moment. But you can probably replace the entire piece by pushing it towards the back of the dishwasher. So you're going to take the piece and just push it towards the back, and it's going to unclip. I'll demonstrate right now. So if I push towards the back, I just pulled the whole piece off right now. So I can do that, and I can replace the entire piece like that, okay? And I'm just going to put it back in place right now. The other thing that you can do is you can replace just the actual spray arm part. Okay? And to do that, you're going to actually take the bolt underneath, and you're going to turn it counterclockwise. And I'll take the rack out in a moment to show you. But you're going to take the bolt underneath, or the nut, I should say, turn it counterclockwise, okay? And then your spray arm will come out by itself, just like that. You turn this counterclockwise, about a quarter of a turn. And you want to put your new one in, you just put it in place, and then you turn it clockwise about a quarter of a turn, just like that. Now what I'm going to do, because I really want to show you how it's done, is I'm actually going to remove this rack while trying to not hit the camera, okay, just like that, and I'll show you what it looks like from the underside, okay? So on the underside here, let's do some editing, pan down like that. This is where it connects to the back of the dishwasher. So right over here, this part is actually connected to those holes back there. You can see them right there, those holes. And that's where the water essentially comes through, okay? So you can, like I said, replace this entire part. You just got to take it, push it towards the back of the dishwasher. Just like that. Just really, you might have to wiggle it a bit, but essentially you're pushing it towards the back of the dishwasher. I'm going to knock the whole dishwasher over. Just like that, okay? And that's how the entire piece can be replaced. But if you just want to replace the spray arm, I'll leave it like this. If you just want to replace the spray arm, all that you need to do is on the upper one, you take this little piece right here and turn it, like I said, about an eighth of a turn, not even a quarter of a turn. That was about an eighth of a turn counterclockwise, and you can pull it out just like that. You can replace the spray arm by putting the new one in place and turning it an eighth of a turn clockwise. And then just make sure it's locked in place by just kind of spinning it and making sure sorry, I just had dinner. I just had a snack after dinner, like a dessert. So I have some gas coming up. Just make sure that it's connected before you finish up. That's it. And make sure, obviously, before you turn your dishwasher on, that you turn on the water supply lines once again. Just don't forget that step, obviously. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.